This is Daniel Molina and his first bike check.
Starting off with the front, I got the Federal Dan Lacey bars into Salt Plus them. Got the BSD headset. We the People forks, and then the wheels custom fit rim to BSD spokes to E-Clack Calibri hub. Then I got the shadow pegs on both. The frame, Stevie Church's signature frame. I got the Dan Lacey signature C. Got Harrow cranks into Colt plastic pegs. I got the BSD 3D sprocket. I got the shadow chain. Same setup on the back, but got cassette, Calibri hub, fit rim, BSD spokes, and that's my bike check. Oh fuck, I forgot the grips, didn't I? I got Colt Vans grips.
Oh, I just cut that.